See, I do una. Where una they report my life. Why? I want to know why. Why are people reporting my live video? What you do now? Why? Why are you people reporting my life? What you do? I never start talking. Oh no, Abu, I salute you. I never start talking when I show hello head. Una want me, I don't talk. I've come to talk. That is the fact. Una show love. Una show like. Because if this platform go, we are dead. They say they must report my life. I must not come live. Last time I tried to come live, I was not able. Last time I tried to go live, I was not able. I tried something, I was not able. They say they go deal with me. That if they don't block my page, no be them. So wetin I want Ambassador to do for me, I say when they see me live, I beg, like is free, love is free. When you like so, Facebook is not paying me money just for maintain the page. To show Facebook say una like them. To show Facebook say una like them. You know they take money. I beg. To show Facebook say people they report, they lie. So that they no go take this page down. That's why if una not put life and love so. They will talk say at the incite for violence, at the insult government, they will take this page. You know not say Facebook. Now another be a friend. So, fellow ambassadors have come. Let me hit them in French first. After I come back in the English. Una upload for the Red Dragon first. Una send 21 some love. Show some love for Red Dragon. Una show some love for Red Dragon. Una show some love for Blue Warriors. Una show some love for the restoration forces on the ground. And una say, woo shame to ADF. Una say, oh shame more to ADF. Una say, oh shame more to ADF. Una say, oh shame more to ADF. Oh shame more terrorist group. Oh shame more la République group. Oh shame more ADF. Let us hate la République and we come back to ADF because today I will tell them my mind. I don't vex. Anytime our restoration forces they concentrate to focus on la République, that's where you go hear ADF on their own. Anytime you see say Grand Zero the hot, that's where La République will call ADF say, hey, how will they let them do that thing? They will now go and fight real restoration forces and they come back for them. But let me hit the enemy first because I don't vex. Oh, shame to ADF. Chers Camerounais, chers ex-compatriotes camerounais, je suis la femme générale ambazonienne. Celle qui a dit s'il n'y a pas l'Ambazonie, il n'y aura pas le Cameroun. Je viens ici encore cette semaine vous présenter la situation en temps réel à l'Ambazonie. Ce que les médias terroristes camerounais ne vous montreront pas. Ce que la scientifique télévision Racaille ne vous montrera pas. Ce que la scientifique télévision Hôpital Jamou ne vous dira pas. Ce que le gouvernement terroriste dans les antennes ne vous diront pas. Je viens ici vous apporter la vraie version de l'Ambazonie. La vraie version, le vrai news. Pendant qu'ils vous disent que tout est sous contrôle. Moi, la femme générale ambazonienne, de FG, en abrégé, viens ici vous dire que l'Ambazonie est grave. Je viens tout d'abord vous présenter quelques vidéos de l'Ambazonie cette semaine. Savourez avec nous la stratégie et la tactique des Ambazoniens Restoration Forces sur le territoire ambazonien. Savourons dans l'ensemble ce que Biafik, terroristes, bien ne vous diront pas, Savourons dans l'ensemble ce que le gouvernement racaille ne vous dira pas. Savourons dans l'ensemble ce que Atanganji Paul, ministre Teng, ministre Clown ne vous dira pas. Savourons dans l'ensemble ce que Chimoja Moja ne vous dira pas. Savourons dans l'ensemble la vraie version de l'Ambazonie en 2021. Nous allons savourer. J'augmente le volume. Je vais traduire. La première vidéo dit, voici le sang des terroristes camerounais. Voici le sang. Nous ne les voulons pas sur notre territoire. Nous les avons copieusement traités. Nous les avons copieusement traités. Tout simplement vous dire que la première vidéo montre ici la défaite des terroristes billes face aux zéro ambazoniens. Face aux zéro ambazoniens, ça veut dire qu'ils sont allés au face à face. Et les zéro ambazoniens les ont totalement, copieusement traités. Ils ont fui. Ils ont fui la guerre. Ils ont fui la guerre, ils vont aller tuer les civils. Parader, dire que c'est les ambazoniens. Voilà le champ de combat. Voilà, regardez. Voilà un face en face entre les billes terroristes et les forces de restauration, héros ambazoniens. Live. Ils ont fui. Ils ont fui. Laissant leurs collègues assassinés. Ils ont fui. Boum. Donc, dans un face-à-face du BI et les ambassadeurs, il n'y a pas match. Il n'y a pas match. Cette vidéo, Atanganji Paul ne peut pas vous montrer. Voilà la deuxième vidéo. Nous allons observer. Voilà. Nos forces sont à distance. Ils ont piégé ces terroristes. Voilà les terroristes qui sont en train de se bombarder. Boum, boum, boum. Regardez les terroristes. Regardez. 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 Entendez? Regardez. Entendez? Dans la deuxième vidéo, on voit ici les forces ambazoniennes qui ont posé les pièges. Ils se sont recueillis comme les professionnels, comme les vrais professionnels. Ils ne sont pas les bandits comme les billes. Ils ne sont pas des... Donc c'est une armée formée, bien formée. Ils ont posé les pièges. Ils sont allés se recueillir. Ils observent. Ils disent, voilà, ils sont entrés dans le piège. On les a eus. Les terroristes qu'on attendait, les voilà qui entrent dans nos pièges. Les voilà qui entrent dans nos pièges. Alors, dans la deuxième vidéo, vous voyez clairement que nous gouvernons l'Ambazonie. Je vous montre une troisième vidéo de ce que Atanganji Paul ne vous montrera pas. C'est que ici que vous verriez la vérité. Vous avez ici Free Macha de Lebi Alem qui a piégé encore ces terroristes Toto. Il a piégé encore ces terroristes Toto. Regardez. 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 Ça c'est le Red Dragon. Le Red Dragon de Lebi Alem. On a dit, vous avez dit que Free Macha, vous avez tué Free Macha. Vous avez dit que vous avez tué Free Macha, que Free Macha est mort. Qu'il a fui au Ghana. Voilà alors Free Macha au Ghana. Voilà Free Macha au Ghana. Voilà Free Macha au Ghana. Vous allez voir comment il explose. Boum. Voilà comment, voilà ce que le gouvernement ne vous dit pas. Voilà ça. Ici, je ne parle pas du Congo, ça. Ici, je n'ai pas le temps. Ici, je parle de la révolution. Je parle de ce qui se passe à l'Amazonie en temps réel. Je n'ai pas le temps pour le Congo, ça, non, non. Je n'ai pas le temps là. Vous voyez? Vous voyez? Vous entendez? Dans un face à face, entre le terroriste Bi et les Amazoniens, il n'y a pas match. Pour ceux qui ont dit que, oui, on va tous vous finir, c'est pour vous montrer que quoi? Jusqu'ici, ce que vous voyez quand tue les civils, c'est les civils. Les vrais ambassadeurs de Special Forces sont dans les positions stratégiques. Les vrais ambassadeurs de Special Forces sont bien formés. Ils disparaissent et ils apparaissent. Les vrais ambassadeurs de Special Forces sont bien formés. Vous ne pouvez même pas les voir. Je viens ici vous montrer une troisième vidéo. Ça, c'est un face-à-face entre l'armée terroriste et l'Ambazonian Restoration Forces. Les forces de restauration ambazoniennes. Voyez, regardez cette vidéo. Regardez comment on traite ces terroristes. Regardez comment on traite ces terroristes à l'Amazonie. Regardez. Regardez comment ils vont venir entrer dans le piège. Regardez un piège. Regardez le piège. Regardez bien, regardez. Vous allez voir. Boum. On les voit à distance. On les voit à distance. Ma connexion. Maintenant là, l'Amazonie est bien formée et développée. Ça veut dire qu'on a les matériels. On a les matériels. Avant, on partait, on n'a plus besoin d'être à côté. On reste qu'à distance, on travaille. On a le nécessaire. On a le nécessaire. Tout ça à cause de Amba Wodraf. Vous avez vu? Grâce à Amba Wodraf, on a le nécessaire sur le territoire. Vous voyez? Vous voyez les terroristes? Vous les voyez? On les voit. Vous voyez comment on les voit? Boum! Ah! This one sweet me pass. Regardez bien, regardez bien. Non, 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 non. Regardez bien, vous allez voir le... Attendez, regardez bien. Non, non, il faut que je mette bien, vous voyez. Vous n'avez pas bien vu. Regardez, regardez, vous allez voir les terroristes, regardez. Regardez bien. Ah, this one sweet me pass. On a aussi. Regardez bien, hein. Vous allez voir le camion en train de passer. Boum. Vous allez voir, regardez bien. Regardez bien. Regardez bien. Regardez bien. Hey, this one sweet me pass. Hey, this one sweet, hein. Hey, carrément. On a aussi. Regardez. S'il n'y a pas l'Amazonie, il n'y aura pas le Cameroun. Hey, on a look. Vous regardez bien, hein. Si vous n'avez pas les yeux. Vous pouvez tourner un peu comme ça pour que vous voyez bien. Je ne sais pas. Attendez. Parce qu'il ne faut pas que vous ratez les terroristes là. Vous allez voir les voitures en train de passer. Vous allez m'en voir. Boum. Regardez les voitures en train de venir. Regardez. Les voitures en train de venir. Ils viennent tuer les civils. Ils sont contents. Ils viennent. Regardez la voiture. Regardez. Boum. Le goût de ça. Le goût de ça. Hey, le goût de ça. Merde. Attends, quand je peux vous montrer le châssis. Boum. Hey. Non, le goût de ça. Ça a le goût mal. Attendez, montre encore ça. Attendez, vous montre encore ça. Une autre action. Il y a tellement. Mais je vous montre juste quelques. Parce que si je vous montre tout, on va pas quitter ici. Regardez, boum. Regardez encore une autre target. Boum. Regardez. Tout ce qu'ils savent faire, c'est voler. Regardez. Boum. Regardez encore ça là. Regardez. Regardez bien. Il y a une force. Bien masqué. Le goût de ça. Armée professionnelle ambazonienne. Armée professionnelle ambazonienne. Armée professionnelle pour la restauration de l'Amazonie. Contre les terroristes camerounais. Les grands voleurs. Mana wana wana wata na wata wata boom. Another boom. I trust my people. Yes. Mana wana wana another boom boom. Hellfire. Straight to Ekema. Straight to Ekema. Ekema is counting. Ekema is counting. Ekema, see them. They are coming to steal. They are coming to burn houses. See them. Another mana wana. Another Ekerebe. Boum. Explosion terrible. Alors les terroristes se dirigent dans les villages pour voler. Ils se dirigent. Vous allez voir l'action. Vous allez voir. On a aussi action. Nous ici dans cette vidéo de talk. Action. Another action there. Mana wana terrorists are on the way, going to whip. They don't know say our restoration forces they whip them. Boom. Now to enter Amazon they go think Hey, they go think what happened to them this few weeks To enter Amazon they go reason Hey, yo. Pour entrer à l'Amazonie maintenant ils vont réfléchir Ils croyaient, ils venaient, ils partaient comme ils veulent. They come. They will have restoration forces. That will voice, beautiful voices, handsome boys, handsome restoration forces, handsome picking, better picking. You know your voice. Hey, boom, hey, another boom. On a cherché so much for our restoration forces. On a shown many love for our restoration forces. Massa. Pour venir à l'Amazonie, maintenant, vos terroristes camerounais vont réfléchir. Parce que l'Amazonie était venu laisser aller où ils venaient la nuit. Ils venaient voler, brûler. Après, ils partaient se cacher, ils disent que c'est les Amazoniens. Maintenant, pour venir à l'Amazonie, ils doivent réfléchir. Parce que la peur a changé le camp. On a installé les bienvenus partout à l'Amazonie. Oui. Donc, maintenant, là, vous ne pouvez pas entrer à l'Amazonie sans recevoir le welcome. You cannot come in Amazonia without receiving welcome. I tell you last week say anytime where any tourists go enter Amazonia, they go receive them, they go welcome them when they see the welcome. We are not go clap for the Excellency Dr. Our Excellency Dr. Sako and all the LGT chairman where they work for this wonderful job. We are not clap for Amber World Draft or we are say for contributing for Amber World Draft. We are not go clap for we are safe for contributing for Amber World Draft. And we are not proud for this wonderful job. I beg we not clap for we are safe. We not show some love for we are say we contribute for Amber World Draft. We not show some love for we are say we contribute for Amber World Draft. We not proud of ourselves say now because sick I say we not contribution where this thing that happen for Amazonia. We not see welcome. We not see yay. I will draft. We shall forever draft. As far as the Grand Zero sweet like this. Hey, we shall forever draft. As far as Grand Zero, the sweet like this, we shall forever draft. We not right say I shall forever draft. I shall forever draft. As far as Grand Zero go sweet like this, I shall forever draft. Hey, where are all those saboteurs? Where are those noise makers? I need a pump. Una call me a pump. National terrorist. National terrorist. Noise maker. Una call me Makongo. The diplomat for US talk. Una call him for me. Una call Matt Arata. Matt Arata should die. Una call me Matt Arata should die. Say me, the female general call them say, as far as Grand Zero they concern, we shall forever draft. for una self for contributing to make this possible. Una clap for una self to be part of this Amber World draft. They be not say Amber World draft was going to change the game. That's what they come to sabotage. Sabotage. But real ambassador talk say we dey at war. As we dey do mistake, we dey learn from our mistake, we dey move forward. No, because say we don't do mistake where we go leave our people, they die. They talk say we go draft. Now so they draft. Now so they draft. Now so they draft. Today we see results. Today we see result. Oh, we see result. We see result of Amber World draft. We witness the results with me. We now witness this wonderful beauty. Are we not proud of ourselves? Are we not proud of ourselves? We not see results. Hey! This was sweet. Over sweet. This one over sweet me pass. Boom! Hey! Straight to a fire. Hey! That one no be rescue safe. No be even say they are taken to hospital. Straight to a fire. Straight to Ekema. Hey! Hey! They are going to meet Ekema. Straight. No be say treatment. Are we not proud of ourselves? Are we not proud? Me, I'm proud to be part of this Amber World draft team. I'm very proud. I am very proud that we did it. We did it and we will do it again. We did it and we will do it again. So if you are still behind hesitating, say we don't tired, no. We know was not anything, everything. We dey do mistake, we accept. But as we dey do mistake, we don't learn from our mistake. This time around, the Amber World Draft 2021, no mistake dey. No mistake go dey. IG don't open eye. They don't see where the mistake come. They don't arrange jam. Before they do the world draft, now so they go into LGA by LGA. They go the aspiration. They sack person wey no wan work. They put person wey no wan work for order. That's so they fire all those enablers when they inside the team, when they want to take us back to the mistake. That's so they remove all the mistake. That meeting, I did that meeting, so I did listen everything. When they say meeting there, I will carry my stomach follow. When they say meeting there, I will carry my stomach follow. I will reach the top past themselves. I talk say, I will go talk past them. They say, hey, where till you there? I say, I did everything, no. They say, why they talk past the I say, I know I'm not a member of IG, but as far as this revolution is concerned, I am everywhere. As soon as see me so, now there I did. Now so they carry their. They say the president, now so I go carry my stomach as a president. I don't say you be focus man, but you need people like us. People that go tell them with this sweet mouth the truth. Now so I follow them and all the meeting. When they call meeting here, that's how they go. All the enemies of progress was fired. That's why I have the confidence that this 2021 World Draft now die. This 2021, if you have not draft before, this particular 2021 draft, my dear, if you not draft, means you don't want us to go to here. You will be officially called as an enemy for Ambazonia. Yes. I tell you when I say they do mistake for the other one. Because there was still people where they be infiltrate IG. But this time I run I tell you when I say this time I run. When they go for meeting, now so the aspiration, I was very impressed. The aspiration, they want to know any France how it happened. If you did not work, refund the money, take back to the people that the country that are working. Hey, I was like, wow, the organization. No, people that did not work, they put them one side. Some people even resign by themselves because of shame. They can't talk because they have nothing to say. Because they give them position, there was not capable. Them that by themselves, they say the seriousness is too much. They resign. I don't call names because I've not come here to call names. Some of them resign by themselves, and because they have nothing to say against the entire government, they shut up quiet. That's the spirit. They not say I did not do them for, they give them the responsibility, they trust them. They was unable to work, but they are saying, they say this work past them. They acknowledge saying they no fit. And because we are not there to accommodate people where they no fit, this revolution not be about friendship, this revolution not be about accommodating unnecessary people. Now so them they have said for the good of Ambazonia, now so they resign by themselves. Now so they say this girl, where you get sweet mouth, so we no want her to call our name. I beg, oh, me when I put somebody will go walk past me, oh. I don't accept say this work past me. I be thinking a small work and a child play. I don't know say this work not serious. Now so this team for 2021, I trust them die. This team for 2021, the language self, when you see somebody that come really, that kind of language now when they talk take say AK na AK. People when they fear say no diplomatic, they pack fine. They pack fine. We know they talk diplomatic nothing again. We dey at war. We dey buy AK. We dey buy guns. So as una tell una say this particular video now to show una say if you never draft, that means say you no want us to go to Buea. The draft is open. Locate your LGA. If you don't know how to locate, you can still contact the female general. You can contact all the activists. They go show you how to join your LGA. It's very easy. Very easy to join your LGA. As you join your LGA, you go there, they go speak your dialect. In so doing, no black leg go come among ourselves. Now so like we send infiltrators, people that was born in Amazonia that can speak English to infiltrate us. But when they say LGA, when you reach there, they speak language for you. Say where your house dey safe for Momo. Now so you go talk where your house dey. Now so you go talk where your house dey. They would come no say you know be black leg. This county by county, LGA by LGA, na strategy. When a stranger enter Amazonia, they go no say this one no be here in the state. That's so they go investigate. It will be very easy for us to know La Republic in our land. Why are they not the show head leg? Why? Wait here do. Now the show halo head. Why? Because I'm coming to the topic of very hot. Now why may stop? Why? Wait I do. For talking the truth. Anyway, locate your LGA. Let us focus. All the enablers where they want this revolution to fail. They go live to see Ambazonia. They go live to see a free Ambazonia. Because our Excellency Dr. Sako is taking us to Buea. Yes. So it's for them to join the moving trend. They are still after conspiracy. You know they're tired. We are not the tired conspiracy for the past 1 year or 2 years. We are not the tired. We are not going to don't quiet now say man pass una go drop guns. Come join your LGA. We are not going to drop una ego. One side say our people they die. Una will come join una LGA and draft. Huh? I hear another one say Matt Arata shot die. Arata shot die. You don't kill Surya, they call it rat. Finish. Now Ambassador people you want come kill. We they ask about Amber World have money as who, as what? You they ask for Amber World have money as who and as what? Who you be for this government? Are you an Ambazonia Arata? You don't believe in the interim government. You say it was all lies. All lies. Lies. So why are you asking about lies? Why are you concerned about something you don't believe in? Who are you to question the interim government? Who are you to ask anything about World Drive after you are able to do marriage to sabotage the Amber World Drive? We will not send people to come and pledge, like 50 pledge. We will not celebrate for back say we don't deal with us. Today, we not say we want to know as what? We want to know where they put Amber World Drive money as what? So that we go tell La Republic. We not go tell La Republic Republic say we are not answerable to Wuna. You are EPOM, definitely banned. Totally banned. I don't tell Wuna say it's a matter of time. When I discover person, it will leave. I talk so. EPOM become make noise. I tell ambassador, I say EPOM was compromised since the beginning. EPOM joined the revolution as a spy. He become shout to deceive Amazonians. But the truth, when they tell truth about you, you go pretend in front of people. When you go lying down, your conscience go tell you say, this girl discover you. Yes. When they don't discover, say you steal, they will tell you say, we don't discover, say that you steal. Go say, no be me. You go say in front of people, say no be me. You go start talking plenty. You don't see what thief man be now. When they accuse thief man in the midst of people, you go start talking plenty. Agitate. That is the fact. I discover EPOM and I come to tell Ambassador who was EPOM. He agitates himself. But when he lying down on the bed, he knows say I don't discover him. And he knows say his own people don't sell him because person to know which I tell Amazonians. Now say somebody there among the group, among the business partner La Republique, they tell me everything. So when he lie down, he come realize say this girl don't discover me. The conscience, they make him the shout. He don't tired. He try to cover up, but there is something we ambassadors have to know: conscience. When your conscience is not clear, when you lie down the bed, sleep in the night, your conscience go judge you. He knows that. I know say there are many things where I be talk. Say your wife run this. I just talk that one just to but saying that he was sent for the revolution was fact. Saying that EPOM left Yaoundé, sent everything I say about EPOM apart from his wife leaving him was true. Even HIV, it was true. EPOM not say at the talk truth. He tried to cover up, shout, make noise, but at the end, he not say we discover him. And no Ambazonia will trust him with classified information again. So he become useless to La Republique. And the next thing they say they go leave him, as they leave him, so they leave the revolution. That's the fact. When we discover him, he become useless to La Republique because no Ambazonia, even inside ADF, where we go say the join coalition of surrender, they could not even trust him because ADF they are after their own partnership. They don't say EPOM, they talk too much. So they did not mind EPOM. Now so they fight again. So they realize say EPOM cannot give them no information anymore. It become useless. They wash hand. Say go refund their money. Now so EPOM they inside trouble. All this speaker where he be buy say may go ground zero. But the fighter say they don't want them. When Ayeke, they kill Ayeke, that's when they discover say which are the talk not true. Because EPOM be quarreled some few days with Ayeke. You know they kill Ayeke. That's when social forces say, hey, they change all their numbers. EPOM did not have access to any fighter again. So La Republique realize it be useless now, so they come leave him. As they leave him, so let you want come talk again because he was working under La Republique for a contract. So if your contract don't work, you are working somewhere, and they come say your contract today end with us, they sign the CD. Are you going to go to that company to work by force? No. You will go if you go every morning, you go sit down in front of that company. Are you working there? No, you are not working there. You are not working there. Sitting down in front of the door doesn't make you that you're working there. That is actually what happened in EPOM. So he come trying to make noise in front of the company to see whether they will notice him again and call him to give him another chance. They don't mind him. Now so he left. He get tired. Today is Arata Chop die asking for Amber water as what? As what? You carry Sunday offering, go marry in Nigeria. You know reach you. You carry our Sunday offering, Pastor Mark Arata. You become pastor overnight. You become pastor overnight. You carry our money. You carry our money. Go marry for Nigeria. Do we ask you where you put our country Sunday money? Now we carry Amber World draft money. See action. We carry Amber World draft money. That's where it goes. That's where it goes, my friend. Let me answer you. At least I should answer you. I should answer you as a, so you go and tell your master. That's where Amber World draft money go. See. See very well. Open your eyes. Whether that your stomach you take see or I don't know. Open your eyes. See him. See him very well, Arata. See him very well. See him. See terrorist car. See terrorist car. You will see them. See the terrorist car. See your colleague. Your colleague car. Look at very well. You see your colleague car. You see them coming. You see them coming. You see them coming. You see your colleague car. You see? Arata. This is your colleague car. This is your colleague car, and that's where Amber World have money go. You need another answer. You and Epon Bitok say free match at Ghana. So how market for free match in Ghana? We don't sabotage the world draft. We don't sabotage our excellence Dr. Sako as la République Senguna, you know waka. Epom, your market don't finish. Nothing to offer. Your deal with La République is finished. Shame the carry you now. Come and fight at Amazonia now. Come now and fight as an Amazonia. Because before, when see the noise they make, they say they should cut people's hands. It was a contract with La République. Everything you have done so far for this revolution was for La République. Can you now come as an Amazonia, confess to Ambazonians, and fight for revolution now? Nah, so we need you. Nah, so we need your noise. Because I have 100% confidence, say, you don't, La République don't end the contract with you. They don't sign contract, say they don't need you. You are useless to them. Can you not come and fight for Ambazonia? Can you not come and stand as an Ambazonia? Because before you were La République undercover. Can you not come as an Ambazonia? Acknowledge, say you do mistake. Acknowledge, say we have an institution. Acknowledge, say the legitimate president of Ambazonia, His Excellency Dr. Sako. Acknowledge. If you don't confess, we don't need your confession because we don't already know the truth. We don't need you to confess because we don't already know everything. How you were hired, how you come as La République agent, we know everything. We don't need any confession again. Can you not come and acknowledge, say you are an Ambazonia? Ambazonia is a country. We have an institution. We have a legitimate president, Excellency Dr. Sako Ikome. And all the rest are black leg. Can you come and acknowledge and fight for Ambazonia now? Can you come and work as a rock? When you be talk, say you be rock. Can you come and become a rock for Ambazonia now? Because you were a rock for La République. You were a rock for La République. I'm telling you the truth. And you know c'est not true. You be insult me. I don't be vexed so. I don't be vexed because I know say you be work for the contract for La République. You were under pressure. I don't be vexed. All the insult where you render on me. I forgiving you. I forgiving you. My greatest happiness. I say La République don't end the contract with you. So if you come now and work as an Ambazonia, acknowledge your place as an Ambazonia, ask for forgiveness, and stand under the interim government. Not be say we go give you position, you go be an activist, we go give you what will happen. You will be journalist, so you will graduate from baby journalist to a journalist. You will now report things and forget about noise. So you will not tell people to cut people's hands because we Ambassador we don't cut people's hands. So you will not focus on the revolution and not on your contract with La République. You will now come and work as an Ambazonia because all this war, you will be working as La République. That's the fact. For people where they don't say why, no, I dey talk about that because a Pope never do anything for this revolution as an Ambazonia. He get to come now as work because they contribute money give him. He say Naki, Nadaki. It was it dark? Yes. That money for dark, you cannot just lost like that. Bring the money. Put in your LGA. Your LGA na man, you know, I think. Take that dark money, whether na 5,000 or na 10,000, where we talk say you contribute for dark. Carry that money. Come and pledge and give for your LGA money. And beg for forgiveness. Me, the female general of Ambazonia, don't talk say, you have never worked as an Ambazonia. Your country are not finished with La Republic. Come now and work. Come now, so you come. Anything you go talk from now henceforth, you will be an Ambazonia. Back to ADF. Fellow Ambazonian, I am very sad. Very sad because anytime when I see action for Ground Zero, La Republic will make a call toward to their colleague and tell them, say, why would I leave these people to kill we so? Now so Ground Zero done the hot these days. Now so our resolution, we don't see videos, we don't see our resolution, we don't strategize. They really deal with La Republic. They really deal with La Republic. Now so ADF, La Republic call ADF. Say why would I leave these people to kill us so no? We not see say they don't well organize. We not get to deal with them. Now so our resolution forces they pass JJO. They pass to go and do another because they be say terrorists they pass somewhere. They went there to do trap. They pass to go do trap. Now so they don't even pass ADF side though. They don't even now so ADF go pursue them, arrest them. My people, please, still with the inside this revolution, how many La Republic terrorists now see ADF don't catch? How many La Republic terrorists when I don't see ADF don't catch? When I help me answer this question. Why is it that they are always strong to arrest Ambazonia Restoration Forces? When La Republic they go do video say we don't do, they go do only video with dress in front of them. They never do any video where when they see say the way we they do say boom, when they see say they kill. We don't see ADF do any video to show them in action say they don't kill La Republic. No, they will collect La Republic uniform, put on the floor and do video. Why is it that now when it comes to when they want to arrest Restoration Forces, that is where they get power. That is where they get power. That's where you go hear ADF. Anytime you want to hear ADF, not to arrest their own brother. Why? Why? Why is it that ADF is only here when they arrest their own brother? Because ADF is just claiming. If they have nothing to claim, because our organization for them, they don't decide to do a video and mention their name. If they don't mention their name, those people will claim. So now when they do video, they will mention their name so that nobody will claim them. So now they don't get nothing to claim. Like the people call them, say they get to stop those people. Those people be get classified information, say terrorists go pass. They be go to do trap. Now so ADF come out from nowhere and arrest them. Arrest them. They say, but brother, we are even going to do trap. Let us go. You people say you are Ambazonia, no? So let us go and do trap together. After everybody will go, they say no. They have come to kill them. They say, how we come to kill Una? We no pass for Una camp. We are passing to go do our trap. Una camp, they far place. It's like, are they here? And somebody is passing the other side. I just hear somebody is passing. I'm stand up, I'm going to see. The person already is passing the other side though. This is my left hand. I'm sitting down. Somebody is passing because I did in the Carrefour. Somebody is passing like this. I will just run, say, who is passing that Carrefour self? I run. Hey, stop here. You are coming to attack me. I am coming to attack you. I don't come straight. I come go that side. ADF, why? ADF, why? ADF, why? When I come and change the story, say they was coming to attack Una. So when they sure say they was coming to attack Una, they will not shoot. There was it any confrontation? Because I believe say if our restoration person was coming to attack Una, they will kill Ali one or two. Was it any confrontation between ADF and our restoration forces? Did they even shoot? So how did I come attack somebody and I don't shoot? Because I'm sure that if I'm coming to attack ADF, at least one will die before Una will kill us. At least Una will shoot one. When Una arrest me, that means say I come in peace. So Una stop that manipulation, that demonic group they call ADF. That ADF demonic gang, terrorist criminal gang. ADF, you are more dangerous than la République. I thought so. You are more dangerous than la République. After you kidnap one pa, collect how much? How much you collect for that pa? When he was burying your wife, how much you collect them? Can you tell Ambazonia how much you collect for that pa when they bury your wife when you go kidnap them? How much you collect them before you release them? Now so we not do to spoil Ambazonia name. Now so we not do to spoil the revolution, to make people to call us kidnappers. To make people to think say we be kidnappers. Now so we not do to turn our people against us. Now so we not do to turn our people against us. Now so we not succeed to make our people to hate us. La République de Us want to manipulate our people, to make our people to believe that we are kidnappers. I want to call all our family on ground zero. If they kidnap member of your family, reach out to the interim government. Reach out to me, to the interim government, to anybody where we go tell you what to do. No worry, go give money. No worry, go give money for those kidnappers, because as they give money, tomorrow they will kidnap another person. As they give money, you are encouraging him to continue to kidnap. When they say you should give money, you use delay. Tell them, say, I see they find money, oh, use delay tactic. Use delay tactic and reach out to your interim government. We know how we go do it. Reach out to the interim government. We not president, Dr. Sako Ikome. He love we not plenty. If they fight, say we not did better. You know the fight, say, may they kidnap, we not collect, we not money. Our excellency Dr. Sako know the fight, say, may they harass, we not. Our excellency Dr. Sako know the fight, say, may they kidnap una for ransom. Our excellency Dr. Sako the fight say, may we not be protected. May we not be safe under terrorist la République. So when the terrorist group ADF kidnap una people, we not get to use delay tactic and reach out to una interim government. Okay? We not get to use delay tactic because the interim government they there for una. The interim government know how they go do to deal with those terrorists. The interim government know how they go do to make sure say una people they free. The interim government is there for the people anytime, any day. So we now stop paying money for terrorist group ADF. ADF have to stop kidnapping for ransom. They have to stop kidnapping for ransom. They be talk for social media say they go kidnap people for ransom. They be acknowledge say their only work for this revolution are to kidnap for ransom and kill through restoration forces. They be acknowledged live through their Congolese spokesman Tapan Ivo say they are there to kidnap for ransom. Fellow Ambazonians, they are trying to report my life. I am not going to be long because as they put the red something, so that means they go block me for 3 days. I don't show them, say me una pump love and woo like this, woo 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 woo. Una no want as una do woo. Those red something go because if they cancel this page, it go very bad. It will be very bad because this page have at least 20 people following, and it's a very great page that people know a lot, and it's really helping us to send a message far. So when I get to protect the page, when I get to protect this particular page, it's not a page, but it's my personal something. When I get to protect them, they here because I tell the truth, and they don't want them. I shall come back to them. So I'm going to leave Una, and I want to tell Ambazonians to please, the Female General and other activists will be live tomorrow on ABC TV for the Big Firewood project. If you have not donated anything yet, please come and support the activist project. This project no be for anybody, na for Ground Zero, na for RPG, Big Firewood. This project is not for nobody, it's for Big Firewood. You have to trust activists. We just decide, say we no go sit down quiet, just make noise for Facebook without impacting Ground Zero. We decide, say we also want to do something, say tomorrow Ground Zero will be happy with us, because this revolution na Ground Zero, no be Facebook. Na Ground Zero, they important. So please, if you are following me now, come tomorrow to support your one and only female general amongst the man. All those mans, they think they want with me tomorrow again. Oh. When I come, and they call my husband them, my in-laws them, my papa them, my sister them, my wives, because I still have brother where they married to to those girls. My wives, may they come tomorrow for ABC TV to support the Big Firewood project. Anybody will not come right here in name, I will sit down on top of your head, as I sit down on top of the head of Apom. If I sit down on top of your head, it's no good. So please come tomorrow and support the Big Firewood project on ABC TV, 9 p.m. Amber time. That will be 10 p.m. European time. I don't know which time for Europe, for US, but that will be 9 p.m. Amber time and 10 p.m. European time. Be there to support the female general, to support your activists, Paul Nilong, Eriko Akaba, the son of Victoria Prenjeka, and Clovis Zale. So we are going to give Una a great fundraising. They will be playing Zorot. We the women will play Zorot for men to make sure say we win the men for this fundraising. I want to appreciate everybody for coming up this evening. Remain strong, stand strong for your institution. Please join your LGA to draft yourself. When I don't see the result will speak for itself. I want to send a strong message for ADF. ADF, stay clear, stay off of our restoration forces. Allow them to fight the enemy. Stay clear of our population. Let them be. Stop arresting them, kidnapping them for ransom. Stop kidnapping our people for ransom. ADF, we do not send you to kidnap nobody in our name. No, in our name. You don't go join Biafra. Can you just remain in Biafra, please? Can you just remain in Biafra and let Ambazonia alone? Can you just go and remain in Biafra and leave Ambazonia revolution alone? You don't go for Biafra. We don't even need you for Ambazonia. Go for Biafra. Remain in Biafra. Can you just remain there, Dracula? Can you just remain for Biafra? Can you just remain for Biafra, please? You go sell a deal for London. You know Waka. Now you go say in Biafra you want join. Please. We don't even tell Anamdi say, Papa, you do well. That man was so useless to us. Take him for free. We don't need them. Free or charge. Namdi, now another noise maker like you, carry it, go. For free. He said, no, we don't want compensation for free. Can you remain for this Biafra and leave Amazonia? Stop kidnapping our people. Stop kidnapping our people, ADF. Stop kidnapping our people. For our people have been through a lot. Stop the kidnapping. Stop the kidnapping. ADF, shame on you. ADF, shame. I shame all those people that they contribute for ADF. And I shame everybody where in this revolution they contribute the money for ADF to kidnap our people. And I shame anybody waiting for this revolution where they contribute the money for ADF to kidnap our people. Shame on you, mothers. Shame on you, for brothers. Shame on you for contributing for ADF to kidnap our people for ransom. We are fighting for a free Ambazonia. We are not fighting to kidnap our people. We say no ADF, no on our name, no in Ambazonia name. We are not kidnappers. We are Ambazonians fighting for our restoration. And we will protect our people. We don't kidnap our people. Long live the Federal Republic of Ambazonia. Short live ADF. Long live our Excellency Dr. Sako. Short live Efang. Short live gambling group ADF. Short live ADF. Short live ADF. Ambazonia must be free. If there's not Ambazonia, there will not be La République. If there's not Ambazonia, there will not be Cameroon. As far as Ambazonia is concerned, if there's not Ambazonia, there are not going to be Cameroon. Stop coming in our lands. You are not welcome. Stop coming in Ambazonia land. You are not welcome. If you come, we go welcome you on our way, special way. You come, you welcome you on our special way. So, fellow Ambazonians, I love una plenty, but I have to go. We will meet. I'm sorry, I just come back for workplace. So una see I see where my dress. I have to leave una. I just have to come and encourage una and tell una say we are strong. Our research forces are working. The Amber World Draft result is on the ground. Be proud of what you did. Be proud of that particular team you are said to be. Be proud because it's because of your contribution that Ground Zero is hot. It's because of your draft that Ground Zero is feeling the heat. Right now, before they come to Ambazonia, they go reason. And they hear in their group, they don't talk, say, mais les gens nous ont dit que la guerre était finie, non? Mais c'est quoi ça? Qu'est-ce qu'on voit comme ça? They are surprised. Because Atanga Jipo be succeed to tell them, say, everything they normal. That one they call it, they be succeed to deceive them, say everything they normal, they under control, they be, all the terrorists have been killed. They don't wake up overnight. They see, say, how come? When I say all those people was killed, and they see all this action, how come? So we will keep putting the fire, and we need all of we. Join your LGA draft for 2021, and let's meet in Boya. See you all tomorrow, 9 p.m. Amber time on ABC Ambazonia Television. Until we see you there, remain forever blessed. That was your female general. I live una and I love una plenty. Thank you for sharing. Thank you, Nicole Madiba. I invite you tomorrow for ABC. I invite Jessica Ako for ABC. I invite Roland. I invite Teddy Passover. I invite all Wuna to come and support us tomorrow, 9 p.m. Ambatam for Ambazonia Television. Bye.